Hello traders, hope that you had an enjoyable trading day. So looking at gold after yesterday's pullback, we can see that gold again started to move in the major direction of the trend, and we can find significant trading opportunity on the lower time frame. Now before we discuss how we can trade on day trading time frame, let's quickly look at higher time frame monthly chart to see overall picture in the market. As we expected gold to drop for deeper pullback after this monthly all-time high, we see that almost at the end of the month gold is coming down for a deeper pullback and expecting it to drop down further. As we see the price tested this all-time high, we could see deeper drop, and I think that gold either retesting this high, which is the resistance of this doji, or even breaking below further before bouncing back towards the upside before the monthly close. Dropping down to the weekly chart to see how the market is evolving, we can see that from the weekly, there is a weekly pin bar. This is a long week candle which has a very strong rejection from the top, followed by, we can see that this is the weekly candle here. The price has tested the low, has got a rejection, and with that rejection currently the price approaching this weekly resistance. If we closely look at, we can see that there is a weekly resistance which is quite significant. There's a resistance here, strong drop, there is a resistance here, back to back two weekly opening and close, and we can see the market here also in a very important level of weekly resistance, expecting for this price to drop down to create a new lower low. Now dropping down to the daily chart, what we can see from the daily, that gold is, this is the daily candle, and there was a strong rejection here to this support level where there is a important liquidity area, and we can see there is a daily bounce followed by today so far from this level initial bounce, the price has gone to the upside. And if we closely look at, we can see this is another important level of resistance here where the price has broken that high, and from that zone the market has started to break below. Now as we can see, as the market has rejected from this liquidity zone, we saw a pullback. Now if we take a Fibonacci from the daily perspective, this is the daily impulse, and we can see the market almost reached that 38.2%, and from that zone we see the market again getting a rejection. So as it is a strong downtrend in this local time frame, what I think that gold might try to retest this daily support again. So let's draw the daily support to see where we can expect gold to come down. Now looking at the 4-hour perspective, here is what we can see the market after this bullish move. After break of this 4-hour resistance, the market has got a strong rejection, expecting for the price to drop back below this support level. Now if we look at, we can see there is a doji, 4-hour doji, followed by another bullish candle. So quite a few, there is one here, there's one here, and there's one here, back to back three important bullish candle has given gold a strong liquidity grab, and now you see the market has started to break below. As we are currently running a short trade on gold, expecting it to drop down further. Now here is what we can see from the 15-minute chart. We are currently running a trade from this level, stop loss above this high, expecting it to drop down to the downside. And we can see here this is a channel, and what I think that the market, as you can see, it's dropping further. We could see potential drop to this is the daily support, and our TP target is around this area. You can see there is a liquidity zone. We'll be waiting for gold to retest again this resistance, and on the lower time frame, once we will find suitable entry opportunity, we will be going for short on gold again with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoy this analysis, make sure that you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel for more content and trade ideas, including VIP access. You can check out the link below this video in the description. Join the free Telegram channel for more ideas. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.